Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2025. Today we're doing a PR unboxing. So I'm going to be sharing with you all the PR that I got in the past month and also share some tips on how to get PR if you're a content creator. Let's go ahead and get into it. Also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram because that's where I do most of my PR unboxings. But I wanted to bring it on to here just because we had a lot come in this month. So let me show you guys what we got. First we have Peach and Lily, and they sent over their ginger Melts oil cleanser. This is one of the products I have been dying to try just to like get all those stubborn blackheads out. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Also, I just want to say beforehand how grateful I am for all the brands that sent over products and just the people behind the brand. I know how much work it takes to like create all this stuff. Next we got Peach Slices. We have their acne collection. So we have a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a toner. So thank you so much. Okay, now we have some stuff from L'Oreal. We have the first one. This one has a ton of goodies in here. The amount of stuff they put in here is crazy. Like one girl cannot use all this stuff. They sent over all of their Lumi Glotions, and I have some of these already and I'm obsessed with them. I love using them like here just to like give some glow. I love using it on my face also. We have an eyeliner, mascara, brow gel. We have their setting spray that I haven't tried yet, but this is supposed to be really good. We have their new dark spot exfoliant peel. We have a moisture leave-in spray, a hairspray. This is like the perfect size for travel. And then we have some cute goodies in here. This is, oh, I love these blushes. These are their new Lumi liquid blushes. These are so good. And then this is their new highlighter stick. And then we have red lip liner and a red lipstick because this was for the holidays. Super cute. So thank you so much, L'Oreal. I'm gonna open up this other one also. We have some more of those products. This is the best eyebrow gel at the drugstore right now. So some of that. We have some more hairspray, another dark spot peel, some more Lumi Glotions. These are so good. We have some more of the Lumi liquid blushes. These are so pretty. We have a L'Oreal toning gloss. Ooh, that looks super nice. And then lastly in here we have a few lipsticks. These all remind me of like the Pillow Talk nude shades. And then I didn't know L'Oreal had lip liners, but they sent over some more lip liners and these are so pretty. They look like the perfect pinky brown shade. Thank you so much, L'Oreal. Now we're gonna get into this huge box. So LA Girl reached out to me on TikTok and they sent over some really fun goodies and I'm excited to show you guys what I got from them. They sent over a ton of their lip liners and I was telling them that I love their lip liners so much, so they sent over a ton of their lip liners in some beautiful shades. So we have some more vibrant ones and then these are all like the neutrals, which I am a neutral girly. So I'm so excited to try these out. And then they also sent over their lip plumpers. I love a lip plumping product, especially like a lip gloss. So they sent over 4 different shades and I cannot wait to use these. And then they sent over some more lip products. Like, this is too much. This is their Lip Haze Soft Matte Lip Color. This one is so cute. This comes with all of their soft matte lip colors. I'm obsessed with the neutral pinky brown. All of these are colors I would go for, so I cannot wait to try these out and let you guys know what I think. These are beautiful, so thank you so much. And the last thing in the box here is this setting powder. I just love pretty packaging, so this is like everything to me. And it comes with all of their brightening loose setting powders, which look so fun. I just saw Huda Beauty came out with like a purple one, so we have a purple one in here. And then we have all these like setting powders here as well, and they're all just like fun colors to have different effects on your skin tone. Blue, there's yellow, there's pink. Again, thank you so much to the team at LA Girl Cosmetics. This is literally insane. Next up we have Coco Kind. I love Coco Kind so much. I talked about them in the last PR unboxing I did on my TikTok. And they're just one of my favorite skincare brands ever. Like, their cleanser is everything to me. I can't live without it. They came out with a new moisturizer. This is their new product. It's the Electrolyte Water Cream. It's a lightweight gel and it has magnesium PCA, zinc PCA, and sodium PCA. And so like when you read that stuff, you're like, what is that? So that's why it's so nice to have things like this to kind of tell you like what exactly they are and what they do to your skin. Next up we have Beauty of Joseon, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a Korean skincare brand, and they sent over some of their SPF to try. I've seen it all over TikTok and it just looks beautiful. Like, I feel like sunscreen is such a tricky thing, and this packaging is so cute. I can't wait to try this, so thank you so much. So cute. And then the last package I'm going to open up is from Gizu. Also, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is like one of my dream brands I've been wanting to work with. So we have their lip oil in the shade Cherry on the Cake, and then they also sent over their hair oil. It is beautiful. I used it in my hair today. Loved it so much. Now let's get into the tips, because I feel like that's the reason why you guys are here. So tip number 1 is to always put your email in your bio. So if that's your Instagram, make sure you have your email in there. If it's your TikTok, if it's your YouTube channel, everything, put your email, visibly type it out in your bio so that when someone clicks on your profile, like a brand, they can see where to contact you easily, because if it's not easy to find something, they're just gonna move on. So make sure that is visible so that you can start, you know, getting those partnerships and getting brands to email you. Second tip is when you are using products in your videos, so for example, if you want to get beauty PR or hair products, make sure when you're using a product, you're actually showing it like in the frame. So like, let's just say I'm using this hair oil, make sure you're showing it in the video, tagging the brand, and then using the hashtag that the brand wants you to use is going to broaden your reach and allow for that brand to see your content, especially if it's a product you use every day. If you're posting it on your Instagram story, make sure you're tagging a brand. If you're posting it on your reels, your TikTok, whatever, make sure you always tag the brand, because that's how I got majority of these brands reaching out to me, because I genuinely love the products, use them every day, continuously tag them and show my support. So make sure you do that, because that is super important on your socials. And then third would be outreach. Usually I get brands DMing me on Instagram or emailing me. This is because I am either using their product or tagging them consistently. Sometimes it'll just be like a random, I don't know, brand that I haven't used before. Just always making sure you check your emails, your DMs to see who is reaching out to you, and be timely and consistent with your responses as well. It's like your job, you know, so make sure to check your email every day. And then also, if you're reaching out to brands, use a simple template and, you know, explain like who I am, what kind of content I create, some, you know, analytics or some type of way or example that the brand can see what your work is. So maybe like a portfolio would be helpful, but I think just like reaching out to brands cold is not my favorite method. So I just kind of let things come to me, but there's a ton of amazing platforms that you guys can use if you want to work with brands but you don't want to outreach to them and you haven't seen anything coming in. So I definitely recommend Creator IQ, Collectively Incorporated, Aspire IQ, Keepers, which is an app, Try Your Best, and Foley is a really good brand if you want to start, you know, doing UGC. Yeah, so I feel like there's a ton of different platforms out there. Just like research influencer creator platforms and you'll find a ton, but I would say Aspire IQ is my favorite. And if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm so happy to answer them, because I know looking back at like myself a couple years back, I'm like, how do I get brands to work with me? How do I get brands to notice me? So I think it's just, again, all about tagging the brands, using brands that you love, and being like genuinely honest about what you think about products, and not just taking a partnership just because it's like a good amount of money. It takes time and it takes a lot of work. It's consistency. If that's something you want to get into in 2025, like start doing it every day, start posting, start tagging, you know, start buying and using your favorite brands, and then they'll notice you. I hope that helped. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you want to see the part 2 to this, go check out my TikTok where I unboxed everything else that I didn't unbox here. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it if you are still here in 2025, still watching my content. I will see you in my next video. Bye!